Hi everyone, today we are making a healthy, easy Mediterranean chicken with olives and lemon. It's fresh, it's simple and full of flavor. Let's go! After all, a comfort food is always good when it's raining outside. What I want to do is to cut this small part, just like that. Yeah, with the back of the knife. If you cut with the chip, then you might break the chip. What we want now is to take the drumstick. So we are looking for the joint, and when we found it, then we cut it. Now I want to fold at the end. It gives a better look actually. I'm adding grapeseed oil, not olive oil, because we are going to sear the chicken thigh. Then it will be on high heat. We will sear both sides. What we want is a nice brown color. During that time we are going to peel the onion, and you can find all the ingredients into the description below. You want to hear that sound, even though you are going to dirty your kitchen, but we are cooking. And we will chop the onion. Of course, in this chicken recipe, we take a lemon. I remove the stem. And then I want to slice the lemon into quarters. Looks like we're good for the chicken. We can move on with the lemon on medium heat this time. While the lemon is giving us a good flavor, we are going to peel the garlic. Normally I should take 2 cloves of garlic, but this one is really big, then I just took 1. I'm removing the sprout of the garlic. And after a couple of minutes, I can add the onion. I want the onions to be translucent, and I'm adding some salt. The onions will cook faster. I'm adding a little bit of olive oil and the garlic. In this red dish, this is flour, so the sauce will be thicker. And you always want to add the flour before adding any water or any vegetable stock, any fishing stock, meat stock. A little bit of pepper now, black pepper precisely. And finally I'm adding the water, but if you have vegetables stock, it's better actually. It will give more flavor to the plate. I'm adding green olives and raisins. It's better to use small raisins actually. I had big raisins, but that's all I had in my kitchen. And of course, we finish with the chicken. We cover it and then we will let it simmer during 1 hour minimum. That's good, you can do other things during that time. And yeah, on low heat, very low heat. I'm turning the oven on to 210 degrees. And if you want more Mediterranean recipes, then just subscribe to the channel. Now I'm taking almonds. So they are white almonds, they don't have the skin, and what we want is to cut them in half. But I know you can buy sliced almonds, then if you have some, you can skip this step. And then I put them into the oven during 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, they have cooled down. Yeah, you see they are perfectly roasted. And then we will slice them. The lemon chicken is almost ready, then we will prepare the coriander. I want to remove the chicken because I want to do the final seasoning into the sauce. Guess what? With salt and black pepper. Okay, let's go for the best moment. I actually love the color of the chicken. Just a little bit of black pepper on the chicken. Alright, just serve it with some rice or even couscous and you're good to go. Now you know how to make this delicious lemon olive chicken. It was a real pleasure cooking with you today. If you enjoyed the recipe, don't forget to subscribe for more Mediterranean inspired dishes like this one. Give this video a thumbs up, it really helps support the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!